Alright, in this video we're going to talk about coordinate grids. This is something that y'all covered in 5th grade, but we just take it one step further here in 6th. So just to refresh your memories, a coordinate plane is a coordinate system formed by the intersection of a horizontal number line called the x-axis and a vertical number line called the y-axis. So this would be your x-axis, and this would be your y-axis. So in 5th grade, y'all talked about quadrant 1. So we call this quadrant 1. This is where your x and your y values are all positive. But in 6th grade, we go into all 4 quadrants. So from here, we go to quadrant, quadrant 2, and this is your negative x, and your y's are positive. Then you come to quadrant 3, where your x's are negative, and your y's are negative. And then you come to quadrant 4. And this is where your x's are positive, and your y's are negative. Alright, so if you think about it, your quadrants, in the correct order, they kind of make a C. So it goes like that. So it makes a C, and that stands for the coordinate plane. So the next thing that we need to talk about are ordered pairs. So an ordered pair is a pair of numbers that can be used to represent a point, in the coordinate plane, often expressed as x and y. Your x always comes first and your y comes second. Also, if you have trouble remember it, think of the alphabet: x, y, z. X comes before y. So we need to talk about this ordered pair. The first letter, the x, is called the first coordinate. So the first coordinate x of an ordered pair is called the x coordinate. Alright, and it tells you how far to go to the right or left. So you have to look at your x-coordinate, and if it's negative, you're going to move that many spaces to the left. If it's positive, you move that many spaces to the right. You always do this first. Then you go to your second coordinate. The second coordinate, y, of an ordered pair is the y-coordinate. And it tells you, it tells you how far to go up or down. So your y coordinate tells you how far to go up or down after you go to your x coordinate first. Alright, so one last thing that we need to cover, and that is going to be the origin. Your origin is right here. That is where your x and your y axis meet. Another word for meet is intersect. So the point where x and y intersect at 0, 0. And they form a 90-degree angle. If you forget what a 90-degree angle is, it looks like an L right here, and it forms a little square. That is a 90-degree angle. So that's what we need to know about coordinate grids. So if you look at these examples, it says write the ordered pairs for the letters below. So letter A, you always start at 0, 0, then you go x first. So 1, 2. So our x coordinate is positive 2, then we went up 2. So A is 2, 2. B started 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went to the left, so it's negative 4. And then we went up 1. So our ordered pair is -4, 1. C, start at 0, the origin, go over 2 to the left. So that's -2. Then we went down 1, 2, 3, 4. So our order pair is -2, -4. And then D, we went over to the right from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then down 2. So 5, -2. All right, so it says next, plot the points on the coordinate grid, and then we'll label them. So E is at 1, 4. So start at 0, go over 1 and up 4. So that's our first point, and that's E. Then our next one is F, -3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. F. Then G is -4, 4, so go over to the left 4 and then down 4. That's G. And then H, 2, -5, so go over to the right 2 from 0 and then down 5. And that is H. So that is everything that you need to know about coordinate grids.